Hi, my name's John from Moog Technical Support. It's very easy to accidentally overwrite the factory presets or change something in the global parameters to make the synth act unexpectedly. Not to worry if you want to start from a blank slate, then today we're going to learn how to restore all of the factory settings on the Moog Messenger. Before you start, make sure that you update it to the latest firmware version. Enter config view by pressing settings and then PGM button 16. Press page left so the LED 64 is lit, indicating that you're on page 4 of the config options. Press PGM button 16 to select config. You will notice PGM buttons 1 and 16 will start blinking. Hold PGM buttons 1 and 16 for 5 seconds to execute the factory reset.